In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create number photo collage in Canva. By the end, you'll have a bold, eye-catching collage where your photos neatly fill the shape of a number, perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, milestones, or social posts. Start by opening Canva and creating a custom design. Choose dimensions that fit your project, like a square for social media or a portrait for printing. Once your blank canvas is ready, head to the Elements tab and search for a number, such as number 1 or number 2. Pick a clear, bold style so your photos stand out, then drag it onto the canvas and scale it up to be the main focal point. A helpful tip: temporarily lower the number's transparency so you can see where you're placing items inside it. Now, still in Elements, search for frames. These are the shapes that will hold your photos. Choose frames that match the curves and angles of your number. Rectangles, rounded shapes, and circles often work well. Place the first frame inside the number, resize it so it sits neatly within the edges, and then copy and paste it to build out the collage. Continue adding and adjusting frames until the entire number is filled with multiple photo slots. Use the position and alignment tools to keep things neat, and nudge with your arrow keys for precision. If a frame sits behind the number, adjust the layer order so the frames are on top and fully visible. Upload your photos to Canva, then drag and drop each image into a frame. Double-click a frame to fine-tune the crop, zoom, and positioning so key parts of the photo are centered. Mix close-ups and wider shots for variety, and try to balance color and brightness across the collage for a cohesive look. When the layout feels right, customize the overall design. Add text for a caption or date, change colors to match your theme, and use the stroke option in the numbers settings to add a clean border. Adjust stroke thickness and color to make the numbers outline pop without overpowering your photos. You can also choose a complementary background color to enhance contrast. Finally, download your design. Choose PNG for crisp quality. If you have Canva Pro, you can export with a transparent background. JPG works great for smaller file sizes, and PDF is ideal for printing. That's it, your number photo collage is ready to share. Thanks for watching.